Hi guys, it's Miss Ellen and I'm here with
Jaden.
Let's start with our
Feelings check-in.
So how are you guys feeling today? JJ, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a little bit relieved because I had a test today and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was. And we're more than halfway through the week, so it's almost Friday and I'm relieved, I guess.
Okay, so you've got a little bit of pressure taken off of you. You prepared, you practiced for the test and it wasn't as bad as you thought?
Yeah.
Cool. Glad to hear it. So the other day, week, who knows, we read a book about our friend Cloud, and we're going to read a book about another friend, Bug. I really like these books. I'm glad Miss Karen turned me on to these. There we go. It was a nice day for a swim on Kamochi's Way. That is, if you like to swim. Who didn't like to swim? Bug didn't. That's who. Instead, he was curled up with his favorite book about birds. Oh, I love reading too. So, blackbirds, redbirds, and big birds, and bluebirds. Lots and lots of different birds. Bug dreamed of flying. Oh, it looks like he's having a nice dream. Right? Sipping a little tea maybe, dreamed of flying. But he was too afraid to fly. Right, so it looks like not quite sad, but a little bit frowned, maybe a little bit worried too. Right, so he's a little scared. Shouts and sounds of splashing water interrupted Bug's reverie. That's a big word. Reverie's like?
A happy daydream.
Exactly, so that interrupted his thoughts. Right, like right now we might daydream about going outside, hanging out with our friends, right?
Going to the beach.
Going to the beach, of course. Bug peeked out the window. Cloud, Cat, and Hugtopus were playing in the pool.
So he could feel a little left out right now.
Because his friends were out there and he wasn't. Yeah, let's see. Come on in, invited Cloud. What are you waiting for? Asked Cat. So I think they wanted him to join, but the water's wonderful, encouraged Hugtopus. But he was too afraid to swim.
So he might feel embarrassed.
Oh, he might be embarrassed, right?
Because all of his friends can swim, but he is scared.
And he might want to, but isn't sure. Yeah, that's a good word to explain that. But he didn't want his friends to know. Like you said, he might have been embarrassed. So he grabbed his goggles and inched his way to the pool. That does not look like a happy face to me, does it?
No.
He does look a bit nervous. The water looked cold and wet. A sudden splash hit Bug. Oh! And he curled up tight into a ball.
Very uncomfortable.
Oh, he was uncomfortable for sure. He did not feel great about that. So he curled up into a ball. Cloud and Cat were busy splashing each other, and Hugtopus was juggling rubber balls. What do you think's going to happen? Let's see. Oh, look, another ball, shouted Hugtopus, and she tossed Bug high into the air. Cloud and Cat joined in, and friends tossed Bug back and forth. They were all having a great time. That is, everyone but Bug.
So you might feel a little frustrated right now because no one knew that he was Bug.
I know. Would you want to be, you're rolled up because you're scared and the people start throwing you around?
No.
It's okay to be afraid, said Lovey-Dove. Only then can you be brave. That Lovey-Dove. Always so comforting and wise. Always makes me feel better. I'm afraid to swim, squealed Bug. Cat, Cloud, and Hugtopus froze. Bug was high up in the air. And heading straight down toward the water. The cold, wet water. Just then, Bug uncurled himself and stretched out his wings, and Bug waved his wings so hard. So hard. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. He was flying. Oh my goodness. Is that you, Bug? Cried Cloud. It's a bird, said Cat. I knew you could do it, said Hugtopus. Well, those friends are really encouraging, right?
Yeah.
Bug landed softly on the side of the pool. Woo! He shouted, feeling proud. Right? So proud, right? You might have your hands on your hips and big smile, right? Did something really hard, right? Bug was so brave that he even jumped into the pool, surprising everyone, but especially himself. Splash. So brave, right?
He's really happy.
Yeah, happy and proud of himself, right? The water was wonderful. It was a nice day for a swim. That is, if you like to swim. And you know what? And Bug did. Wow, what do you think of that?
That.
So impressed with you, Bug, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So what does that tell us?
It tells us that it's okay to be afraid of something, but you have to be brave to do it, because in order to be brave, you have to do something that you're afraid of.
Totally.
That's what
Totally.
makes you brave.
Right? And Lovey Dove was really smart and really supportive and encouraging when she said that to him. What are some things that you can tell yourself
When you're brave.
to make yourself feel a little bit more brave? Yeah.
Maybe I can do this.
Yeah.
I'm strong. I can do this.
I'm strong. I can do this. I can try.
Yeah.
Right? Might not get it
I have to
perfect
give
the
it a
first time.
try.
Right. Right. Might not get it first
I am
perfect
loved.
the first time, but what do you do then?
Then you keep trying until you get it right.
Right. And hopefully we have friends or family like Bug does that support us and can help, like you said, encourage us and be there to like cheer us on and help us, right? So if we can't get it the first time, somebody else will help us and we'll get there eventually, right? So we're all in it together and we can figure it out together, right? And a little encouragement is always awesome for everyone, right? All right. So try some new stuff. Be brave. Stay brave, because I know you're all brave already, right? I think we're being brave every single day now. But stay well, and we hope to see you guys soon.
Bye.